Hello, Chef here with some more sharpening tips and tricks for you. I want to show you the clip, the guide clip, very special clip. Stainless steel, plastic line, goes around the knife, no damage. I like it. This is a special wide knife here. It's in between a chef knife and a cleaver. I really like it. You can find more information on this exact knife at the sponsor right there. They're having a sale on these. So, I'm going to show you two ways to get it sharper. Good. We're going to check it on a piece of paper once more. Another piece of paper here. It's sharper, a little bit. Now I got one more step for you to make this knife really sharp. The custom-made leather strop. Yeah. You can only get this at one place. That's your sponsor there. So I'm just going to take and polish the back like this. Repeat. Alright, now you can just notice the edge of the blade is biting in a little bit better. So